Good morning. Ay, good evening. My God. Evening na pala. Don't wanna let her go. Don't wanna let her Don't wanna let her go. Maybe there's never coming something. Only heaven knows. Thank you for watching. To people. Hi, bye people. Thank you so much. Hi, Bradley Phillips. Jet Tree. Jet Tree. Hi. Meat Onion Bonda Gwen. What it means? I don't understand what it means. I don't understand that. Join Grass. Hi, Join Grass. Thank you so much. So very beautiful. Wow. Bigoy. How are you? I'm fine. Join Grass. Thank you so much for joining. Nice cake white. What? Nice cake. How are you? I'm fine, big guy. How about you? How are you? How's my body, Mike? I don't know what happened to it. I don't know about Mike. Berries, Berry City. Demand this month parish. I'm going to from big guy. Big guy. Jacksonville, Florida. Hi. Shall on Sogno. At Akash. Hello, thank you for the like, po. Pine Castle. Hi, Pine Castle. I'm also friend. I'm also a friend of your Mike. Oh, really? Wow, that's good. Hi, Sir David. Golden Eagle. Golden Eagle. Hi po. Hi, my team. Hi, team. This month, Paris. Why you love me? Hags. Are you change your Hags Williams? Is you Hags? What happened? You look bored. I look bored. Miguel. TV Moy Hermosa. I'm in Philippines and David Golden Eagle. Nice to meet you. We retired, love it here. Oh, where are you from? David Golden Eagle. What country you from? Originally Michigan, USA. Nice to meet you, Sir David. Enjoy your live stream. I'm heading back to my cruise lives. Please tell Mike I stopped by and say hello. Okay, thank you, Join Grass. I will tell him if he will join here. Married Filipina, 22 years in November. Oh wow, congrats, Sir David, Golden Eagle. How are you, sister? Hi, I'm Taran Batsu dear. I'm fine. Hola, hola, hermosa. Disney, Argentina, hi. Old man lives, hi. Good morning, mom. Why, mom? I have family there. That's great po. What part? What do you mean? Good evening. Southern Grand Rapids, Caledonia. Okay, I'm in Mount Pleasant. Pleasant. Wow. Really good. Hello. Hi, hello, Bronze. Evelyn Lopez. I helped build the Polka golf course in Mount Pleasant. Was there for 18 years on that golf course. I have nanos 1991 to 2002. Wow, that's great. I'm in new city. I'm new to city but can't wait to try the cars. Como está? Hi Jelly. DJ Rique. Hello from Brazil, Cariax, Espírito Santo. Hi, DJ Rique. I grew up just outside of Flint. Flint. Jose Walter, hi. Let's hope. Let's hope. Okay, bye guys. Bye, join Chris. Thank you so much for joining. My dad is still alive. He helped Don Paul design it. Wow, Sir David, that's great. Bye from Sir David. Aisha does accept Alba Alp Alphabets Alphabets Alphabets. What is that? May tell my stories ano sa Jomi. Cheryl, bakit ako na time out kanina? Wala naman akong masamang ginagawa. Inamin ko lang. And say, have a good night, Cheryl. Hi, yes, have a good night. Sir David, Golden Eagle, thank you so much for joining. She fall asleep. Be blessed. Thank you, Sir David. Brian. Hi, Brian. Sweet woman. Mauricio. Hello, my friend Brian. Thank you. Super chat. Yes. Anyone can super chat. Yes. Good evening. How are you? Getting my channel moving. Ah. Yes. Keep moving. Sir David. Sonos man. Sonos Manly. Good evening. How are you doing? Jim Bolton. I'm doing fine, Sim Jim Bolton. How about you, Sue Jim? What are you doing? How are you? Getting my channel. Yes, keep moving pa, Sir David. I'm Northern Mindanao. Northern Mindanao. Sonome. Sit back, hi. Sorry, I will tell you to Poland. What? Stars Stars Najomi. Thank you so much for joining. 11 people here. Thanks a lot. Cristiano Nemonar. Jean Bolton. I'm doing well. Just trying to get through this ice and the snowstorm. Yeah, thank you so much, Jean Bolton. Stories Najomi. Age 40. I'm 40 years old. I'm turning 41 this February 2nd. Thank you for the likes po. Marcos, but I don't understand Thailand or any other countries. Maybe you need to translate in English, maybe, or Tagalog. Yes, thank you so much. Golden Blade, hi Golden Blade. My doll is 5'1" and yeah, 5'1". Luis Geraldo. Ngonyen Bon. I don't understand. I don't know what it means. Promise. Geraldo Rodriguez. Hi. Mm, Thank you, team. Thank you so much. Luis Gerald, only Cheryl. Why should I marry you? Stories and a Jomi. Cristiano Namorar Kongbosi. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks a lot. I'm going to sleep in few minutes because I felt tired today. So need to sleep. Because I like you, you sweet woman. Oh, duh. Sid Hi, Philippines, Palawan. Hey, thank you. Saram Jaja. What? I fell asleep in a Megan. Okay. I need to end the live now. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye. See you next live. Need to sleep. Felt tired. Sleep well, yes. Bye bye.